And I guess we can go through what's in one of these Hello Favorites goodie bags. I think they used to have, if I'm not mistaken, the Sephora Play subscription, and this is supposed to replace, if I remember correctly, the Sephora Favorites. No, the Sephora Play subscription box. So you get 15% off any of the items. I think if you want to buy a full size, which is great. And then let's see what we have here. So the first thing I see in here is the Sephora Favorites Clear Brow Gel. It looks like this. So can always use a brow gel. Next thing that I see in here is this Alien Perfume, which looks like this. Oh, it smells really good. Next thing that I see in here is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. And this is in the color medium brown, which is perfect for me. So I've heard really good things about this product. I've never tried this out, but it looks really, really good. I'm excited to try this out. Next thing that I see in here, this is a pretty big size actually. This is First Aid Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, safe for sensitive skin, which is awesome. So let's open this up and see what the actual bottle looks like inside. Yeah, this is a really decent size. 1 ounce. Really excited to try this out. What else do we got in here? We also have the Way Detox shampoo. I've heard really good things about Way. I've never tried this, so I'm excited to try this out. And what's the last thing in here? This is the Supergoop Glow Screen. Can always use a sunscreen as well. So really awesome products in these little Sephora Favorites kits. So again, as a recap, we have the little bag, the little coupon thingy, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, the Bump Eraser Body Scrub by First Aid, the Way Detox shampoo, this perfume thingy, the clear brow gel by Sephora, as well as the Supergoop sunscreen, and I think that's all from the kit.